The road grows heavy underfoot, with trials you never once input. Yet still you rise with steady will, a quiet strength that won't stay still. Through storms that shake your outer frame, your inner fire remains the same. You lead with heart and hold the line until the path begins to shine. Overcoming struggles lights your way as determination guides each day. Through shared purpose you unite and turn the darkest into light. Harmony forms where hearts agree to stand in strength and dignity. You gather those who walk beside and lift their hope with gentle pride. Each hardship shared becomes less cold when many hands support the load. Your courage spreads through every voice, transforming challenge into choice. Success appears where spirits rise and meet the world with open eyes. Overcoming struggles lights your way as determination guides each day. Through shared purpose you unite and turn the darkest into light. Harmony forms where hearts agree to stand in strength and dignity. Unity